I would like to review a little bit about universal joint. Okay, ผมทวนนิดนึงนะ universal joint มีหลายแบบนะทำได้หลายอย่างทำได้หลายวิธี Look at this one. Okay, let's see. We have you see we have this one is look at this the universal link. This one is intersect at center point. อันนี้ไม่มี offset นะระหว่าง we have this core and this core intersect same yeah center right จุด intersect ของอันเนี้ยของ point เนี่ย this one is rotation actually rotation right มีเป็นจุดหมุนนะใช่ไหมปกติก็คือ this one let's say we have this one and this one the same angle actually นะปกติหมุนเนี่ยนะไม่ว่านะ this one and this one have to be the same angle let's say this omega this also omega right same right because universal joint is not they don't do any speed reduction they just if you have sharp different angle right this one you see we're gonna use the universal joint normally to produce manufacturing I mean to produce universal joint if you want to buy this one they have some spec sometimes they said the limit of the angle this one have some limit for example นะยกตัวอย่างละ30 องศานะ it means that they are building this one provide that you have the angle between two shaft this one is not 30 degree นะถ้าเราซื้อนะบางทีเราบอกอย่างนี้เพราะว่าอะไร because there are some if they don't do this one there are some crash as well okay มันมีการ crash ในพวกนี้นะเพราะฉะนั้นเขาต้องลิมิตพวกนี้ไว้นะเพราะฉะนั้นเวลา when you buy this one now we normally have to see the limit angle this one as well okay so in this case you see I can draw a chart here I mean fix let's say I have fix you can do fix this one we have this one and this one as a fix right actually this one as a fix right you look at this one ถ้าคุณดูรูปนี้กับแกนี่เหมือนกันจริงๆแล้วI fix this one based on this and fix this one I mean this chart based on this one that's why there's some angle difference okay you can this one I can just draw two lines this one in a part and you make it as a fix or if you doesn't want to do this one maybe you have to draw a chart here this chart fit to this yoke and you have rotation this one and this one is fixed ทำนี้ก็ได้นะแต่มันยุ่งกว่าเสียเวลากว่าใช่ไหมอันนี้ rotate รอบตรงนี้อันนี้ this one is fixed you can do this one as well but anyway this one is too much work so we just do like this just draw this one and this one right okay as a fix okay so this one is fixed this one right so it's like look at this one we have universal fixed base universal fixed base let me draw this one you see I open this one You see, look at this one. It's just a line. See, just a line. Okay. See, just a line. And this is a rotation point. This one actually this is a rotation point. The length of this line can be any, no problem, right? And this corner is a rotation point, right? Rotation point. You have to draw this one, right? In that case, okay. Okay, so if I draw another one, this I should use the driving law, universal. Look at this one. Got this one. You see, I draw this one. I also add point. Look at this one. Add point here. This one is had to be that corner, right? This one had to be that corner, right? This one had to be that corner, right? That corner, same, right? So this is center line here. So this is a point, you have to add point there as well. Okay? ต้องใส่จุดเรื่องง่ายหน่อย You see this one. You see that's point there. Okay? Okay. Look at this one. So we have this one as point. And the link as well. Okay, this will just link intersect that. Call, universal call. This one just called the internal. This one is should be the intersection point, right? Intersection point between this one, this line. This one. As center, right? This one. So this one no offset. The one in example you have some offset, right? In that case you have some offset. Let's see this one. Right, this one have some offset, but this one no offset. Okay. Okay. The without offset should be better in terms of the more angle, higher angle, 30 degrees, for example. Let's see. Okay. So you have this one, you assembly it, right? You see, you have. I have to fix this, and this one I will rotate this one. It's okay. จริงๆผมทำผิดตั้งผิดแต่ว่าทั้งหมด no problem. This one will rotate according to this one, and this one will rotate according to this one, right? And the center point, you see, these two core come from the same part, right? Intersect at the center point, right? Use assembly, that's all. And when you do constraint. Let's see, look at this one. You have to have fix. I fix this one, right? I fix this one, right? This one. Okay, so this is our frame, actually. Our frame. Okay? And this one, revolution. This one is between yoke, this one, and this frame. This one is between this and this, let it rotation, right? Yeah, and yeah, let it rotation, so you have this one. You see, you have this line and this edge, right? This one, this edge. The line is mean axis of this hole, right? This one. And coincident, you can choose any vector. You can have vector here as well. Point there and origin there as well. Problem. จุดนี้กับจุดตรงกลางของของลิงก์ตรงนี้อยู่ที่เดียวกันก็ได้นะ coincident this case ไม่จำเป็นต้อง replace right okay so that's the point right so that revolution right you have this one right this one angle the hole here coincident with this one this edge and we can use point instead. The point that I just showed you actually with the corner this one be the same. Okay, that one revolution, right? Revolution. The other one is this one. Say, right? This one is between this link and this. It depends on this one. I mean, this one. You see, look at this one. This yoke one, right? This one. You see, this one will be between core and yoke, right? This one and core. This one. Okay, can be rotate. I want this one to be rotated, right? This one. Right, this one can be rotated according to this core, right? So I can set this one. Okay, I can set this one. Okay, right. Okay. So this one is like no need for constraint. Okay. The other one rotation the same. Okay. This one between this core. Look at this one. Between this core, this one, sorry. This core between this one, because you rotate this way, right? This rotate this way, and yoke will be this one, right? See, similar to previous one, when we rotate this one according to this one rotate according to this one, okay? Okay, so that I mean, okay, so next, now you have these two, right? So next, how to connect universal joint. This one is universal joint now. Okay, look at this one. You see, you have to maintain rotation here, right? Rotation here and rotation here as well. Right, this one. Okay, how to assign this one? Look at this one. You see, you have this one attached to this one. This one attached to this. This one attached to this. And this one attached to this. And this one, this side attached to this one, right? Okay. Rotate this one. See? So next you have universal joint. Look at this one. You have universal joint. Look at this. You have many types. I'm choosing. You see, there are many types. You see. Let's say if you look at this one, you look at universal joint here. If you add universal joint, there are, you see this one or this. We normally choose this one. So this one we have point, line, and angle, right? Point, line. This is angle. This is a point, rotation point. So in this case, this point is mean the point at the corner. This one, right? And this one is one shaft and one angle, right? Angle with respect to the shaft. Right? So in that case, look at this one. You see? Okay, you have this join this one. I choose this one, right? So first of all, the point, point of this yoke and point of this yoke, right? This one, right? Had to be the same, right? See, ใช่ไหมเราเมื่อกี้เขียนรูปนี้มี point ใช่ไหมเขียนรูปนี้ก็มี point ใช่ไหมใช่ไหมแล้วเราวางมัน we place it at intersection, right? This one, right? Okay. Next, that's a point of rotation. Next is the angle. หมุนใช่ไหม Look at this one. You can assign this one. You see, you have this plane of this, right? Rotate with respect to this one. You see, rotate with respect to this one. Actually, if you look at this one, this line and plane have to be in the same. You see, this line and plane have to be in the same direction. Look at this one. See, this one. Okay. You see. This is a chart ของตัวนี้ of this one. This is the plane of this one. See, this plane is for this, right? For this one. This axis is for the other side. For the other is this one. Of this one. See, of this. Right? So set the universal joy. They see that. You see, you are. The alignment is not, not in line, right? The angle this one. That's one way. That's one way to be. I think this is probably the suitable one. อันนี้คืออันที่ดีที่สุดอะmany times anyway. You can do this one as well if you want. Let's see. If you have this one, look at it. If you have this one, we do have what? Offset, right? You have offset between this one and between this one and between this one. Right? There's some offset here. Offset distance. Right? So you need to find middle of this one. This is a section point. ตรงกลางใช่ไหม You need to find this one. So in that case, the point of this one, not in this line, but had to be in this intersection. ใช่ไหม The point here. See, it's not on this line. Previously it's on this, right? But now it's on this because we rotate with respect to this one. With respect to this one. Okay? So look at this one. Say if I draw this one. Let's see, look at it. You see, because you don't see, there is no problem in this case, you see, because these two axes are aligned. So you don't have this one, right? This no problem, right? But if I check this one, sorry, this one, okay? Now we have angle and we have offset, right? Look at this one. You see, you have this. Okay, look at this one. Center point, center of rotation in this one, right? This one, right? This point, right? Look at this one. So you see some of these You see? See? So in that case, you see, you have to be aware. You see this one. Okay? So that's the thing that I would like to mention to you. So if you have offset, it's good for the angle is very, very small. I mean the angle of these two. Okay? Otherwise you have problem with this one. Okay? Okay, so let's see this one. How can I do this one? The same. Look at this one, you see. Look at this one, you see. Now look at this fork one. We call this fork. So that is not the same. Universal fork. Look at this one. Now, this point have to be, the point has to be not, you see here, not this one, you see? Actually this is a axis of rotation. You have to be careful where to locate this one, right? And here I can do it. Point has to be here, not on this line, right? It has to be this line, right? This line actually is the middle between. It's the middle between this one and the other one, the other side. This one. It's the middle between this one. Okay. So the point has to be somewhere here instead. And when you connect it, when you connect this one, you see. This one and this one have to connect at that point, right? That point, right? Okay, that point, right? Okay, that point is a corner of this link anyway. Okay, so look at this one. I share a little bit. I change a little bit to do this one. You see, I have this one fixed, right? This one fixed. This one fixed. I have this one revolve between this and this. This one revolve between this and this axis. ใช่ไหมอันนี้หมุนเทียบกัน Okay, revolve, you see. We will fix base. Oh, sorry. This one we will fix base. This one and this one. Okay. This one revolve between this one, fix base, and this one revolve between this one and this one. Okay, look at this one. You see. Okay. So you have I make it angle in this case, right? See. You have this one of this link, fixed links, and this one of this sketch to, fixed joint anyway. Okay, this one is axis of hole, this one, and this one is for the fixed link, right? We do have offset. Okay, we have face here at the corner, corner at the corner. Let's see. I can put it. This is a point. It's a rotation point, right? This one and this one is set here. Yeah, you can calculate. And angle of rotation. This one as control. You see. So this one. You see angle. This one and this one. This plane, right? Of the fixed plane. Of the fixed part, right? You have this one of this part and this one of fixed frame, right? So that one, that's a rotation, right? This one is a rotation. This rotation have control. Control, right? Okay. The other one is this one. The other one, this and this side, right? similar to previous one. You see, you have coincident here and the edge. This one is fixed, the line of the fixed link. Similar offset. Face this one at the center point. Plane at the center point at the rotation point. Similar, this one is 64, one is 64, right? This one. And angle the same. Angle ความหมุนของอันนี้ this one, this angle for this plane, right? And the angle of this one of fixed plane, of fixed plane, this of fixed part, sorry, of fixed part, right? So we have this one. Okay, so that's the rotation. That's the rotation. I also make rigid. I said okay. I also try to make rigid. This one, this one, and this one. You see, ให้สองอันนี้มันต่อกันนะ This one and this one. Okay. ให้มันrigid ต่อด้วยกันได้นะเพราะฉะนั้น you have actually you can do this instead of this one you can do this, right? You can find out, you can do this one. I said this one and this one rigid, right? So I can do this one instead of this one. I can make this part, right? This one rotation as previous revolve, right? Revolve between each chart of this part of the core, and the chart is origin hole, right? Between this core we call this one bearing center. We got it in bearing center, right? This one. So this one, I mean this part and this part rotation and this one. And the other one revolve. Okay, between this part and this shaft, this one. Rotate this one. แล้วใส่สองอันไม่เอานี้นะเอาใส่สองอันนี้แทนนะ Okay, that's also possible, right? And the universal joint are the same for this one. You see, look at this universal joint is, look at this one. You see, one link, and the other one is on angle plane. Look at this one. So we have point this one, right? Point. Universal joint is to assign joint between this part and this part, right? Universal joint this one, right? So we have this point to be common point of rotation, right? This one, and this one, right? And this one angle ของการหมุนนะ Look at this one. I use this edge, right? And the plane, this one, plane have to be in line with this one, right? ใช่ไหมplane อันนี้ของอันนี้ใช่ไหม edge อันนี้ของอันนี้ this one. Look at this plane and edge are the same. You see? Look at this one. You have this one, right? And this plane, it's all the same. What? Same direction. See, same direction. This plane of this edge and this one of this point, right? Okay. This one, you see, this edge of rotation. This one. Don't forget, have to be aligned, passing through the corner point, right? อันนี้ใช่ไหมไม่ใช่ตรงนี้นะ line of contact point, and this one has to be plane of this one. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, so you have this one, but anyway, you try this one. You see, you have this one. No problem this one, right? Problem this one. You see, because it's not aligned. What else? If I said I don't want to repeat it here, if I want to repeat it here, okay, I want change this one to be revolved. Change this one to be revolved. ถ้าผมเปลี่ยนนี่นะ เป็น revolve between this shaft and this shaft center here, and between this shaft and this shaft center here. Okay, and you want, and you also try the same. Okay, you have this one. You try it. You can try. You no rigid this one, just this one. You say as a previous, similar to the intersection, no offset, right? Case. Okay. If you try this one, you see another problem. Okay. If you have this corner, you see. I mean, this one is some angle with this one, right? See, instead of rigid, I put this one and this sharp and this sharp. I mean, and this fork, and this one, this sharp and this fork. We have another problem. We see another problem. Or not put the problemมันหมุนไม่ได้ you see it cannot move anyway. Again. Okay, look at that. So if you do this one to see how it works, that's this one. See, I do the same for this one, but this one no, because you look at this one, you see, because the chart is aligned. In this case, you don't see. No problem, you see. Normally, you do allow very small angle. And if you don't exactly align, you have some angle. They are do allow very small one. Sometimes they normally put some space here. When they produce production space here to allow some misalign. I mean some crash anyway. Okay, so that's the point. You see this universal joint for, let's say you have very long shaft and you want to connect it together, right? You see universal joint, or especially in automotive, or anyone that you have very long driving shaft, you can have this one. Okay. And this one similar to this one, you see. This one you have center point of intersection here. You have center hole here. Center hole, this one here. And cut this one. So this is a rotation. So this is a rotation. So you need this part have point there as well. This part has point there as well. And you connect those two parts together with this joint, right? Okay, so you have this one. You see this one, you have some angle, right? And I need the angle. Yeah. You look at this one. See, you have some angle, this one. Right? This angle, right? It's not aligned, right? So you at least you have intersection. Okay, that about universal joint. Okay. So in this case, this is a fixed part. And you have fixed part. You have fixed part here. This fixed part. And this fixed part gonna have hole as well. See, have to have hole. So that it will be aligned with this hole and this aligned with this hole, right? Okay, so this one rotate with this one, with that hole. And this one rotate with this hole, right? This big part. The corner there as well. No, about the same. Okay. I didn't give you any. I'm not so sure I give you any dimension for this one. Okay. That's what review the universal joy in case you don't know. Okay. Okay. One thing I would like to mention a little bit about. Sometimes some of you may know, some of you don't. Let's see. If you want to open dashboard, you can select this one, right? Dashboard, this one, or you can key in at the browser, right? Or the other way to do this one is this inside. You have criteria here, right? You have the 3D screen here. You have this one. If you find this one, okay, bookmark editor with arrow key. You suppose it's better. Favorite application is mean that you bring in some of these my application, there are many applications, and just drag and drop. Select, drag and drop to this favorite so you can call easier. Okay? So we have this one bookmark editor here. Right? Bookmark editor with arrow key. Arrow, this one. There are two, right? This one and this one. Okay, this one is better. Let's see, with arrow is better. It's something like that. They will call browser for you. This one they will call browser for you, right? This one no, they just go inside this one. Okay, but I recommend you this one. See, look at this one, bookmark editor with this arrow. See, it's similar to they went to browser. Okay, and you just key in, right? See, they call browser for you, right? And you have that one for you. You can go there, right? Okay. Or if you are using this one is not go outside. Let's say you have this one, right? It just try to be inside this. You see, it's try to be inside this one, and you a little bit difficult if you have a lot. You have to filter. You have to you can go there dashboard, right? If you remember all this is all the directory I have, right? If you doesn't sometimes it's too much, too a lot. It's not convenient anymore. Okay, so get it out this one. See, they are still in that's all. I mean, to the experience. But this one they call outside bookmark editor outside. ถ้าคุณมีไฟล์น้อยๆใช้ไม่ได้แต่ถ้า I recommend if you have small number of file you can use this one. But if you have larger file, I think I recommend this one. The automatic call browser for you. Okay. Okay. That's the point. The other one, okay, let me recommend you. If you are doing surface designs, you see, if you are doing surface design, okay, let's say generative CAD design, right? You have this one. If you go into CAD design, let me put name and test. Okay. Look at this one. Some of you see, you are in test design. Do not. Generative CAD design, right? Look at this one. Now you are in part body. You see, you are in part body. Part หรือ solid model. Solid model. Modeling. Right? See? But you are called generative CAD design. Right? If you're doing all the model, they will put in there. They will put you in there, in this part of it. Right? I recommend you, some of you, it depends on the setting the system. You see, some of you have this one. I recommend this one. Look at this. You see, you have this one. Geometrical set. Some of you have this one. If you call surface design. If you call surface design. Okay. If you call surface design, it's supposed to be this way. Some of the systems supposed to be this way. You have geometrical set up here. Okay? And when you design surface design, you put there. Put inside that a geometrical set, this one. Some of you have this one. But you see mine, I will turn on, we have only part of it, right? See? Because I intend to do that. But some of you default, sometimes you have this one. Actually, this one is better. Because if you draw all the entity element here, actually it's reusable. How much I okay, reusable. But if you do everything inside this one, probably not reusable. Okay, that's a different thing. Okay. So you look at this one. You want to switch back and forth to test between. If you want to do properly, you just go here and define invert object. Now we are in solid mode, right? You want to go to geometrical set mode. You see this one. See this one. So let's say if you create a line, any plane, you see, let's say plane here, okay, this one, okay, see now in this one, see, this one, okay, if you want to go back to this one, you divide here, right, you can also this one, see. Okay, say this one is this one, right? Look at this one. You see, if you look at these two, this one is belong to property. This one belong to sketch, right? To percent, right? If you are here, let's say, if you're doing solid, let's say if you go back to solid, okay? And you want to do this now here, and you do this one, okay? And profile here, right? This one, okay? You see, now sketch is what? relocate inside pad, right? It not reusable. มันใช้ไม่ได้แล้วนะ cannot be reusable, right? But if you want to use this one, let's say I want to use this one. You see, you can do this one. Select this one. See? Okay, this is pad, right? This pad. But sketch still there. You see, still here. Right? You can use it anyway. If you want, if you have another line here, let's say, you can combine anyway. Okay, let's see. We have a line here. Okay, see. You see now this sketch is here, this sketch in here. You can make show, right? I want to combine this one and this one. You see. Now we are in part of it, right? Now we are in part of it, right? We can do this one, right? Profile this one. I can select this one, right? And I can use direction here. This direction here, okay? You see, it's still there. This sketch is still there, right? You see, you can reusable anyway. Sometimes it's very helpful if your shape very compact shape. Have many lines in there. This one is helpful. ช่วยเยอะเลยจริงๆนะ It's very good for in terms of editing or modify. Okay. Okay. So that's one thing that I would like to mention about how to use geometrical set. You can have more than one geometrical set. If you want more than one, you can have one. Let's say another geometrical set, this one. You see, if you don't put the name, they put set 2. See, set 2. See, you have set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. You can have one set is for one part, the other set is for the other part. You can do this one. Okay? Okay, that's a point. That's a thing that I would like to mention. Okay. Yeah.
For the universal joint, for the universal joint, it's okay if I manually do each joint instead of use the universal joint.
No.
The same result.
No. The schedule is but the part is not fixed.
No, like I fix it to the point, like to the sharp line, so it's still like revolving in the same direction.
Yeah.
So that should be fine.
I don't know. I have to see. It's realistic or not? Right? It's like a real thing. It's working that way. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let me. Now we are in geometrical set, right? And let me build geometrical set for me. Okay, set 1. Okay. Okay, I'm in surface design. Okay. So last time. Okay. We have all the okay. Today we have another workshop that I don't know you remember you realize that there's another one here. I want you to try this one as well. See? Okay. Let's see this one. This one you can have. Let's see. You can have. You see. You can create this one. Just create a chair here, right? And this one is a projection on this glass anyway. Okay, projection on this one, right? And after that, you just trim, trim or cut anyway, or split anyway. And after that, you just rotate. You can rotate first and trim. Okay, and after you can put thickness. Okay, or either way, you can switch between between solid and surface as well. Okay, let me see this one. Okay. Okay, look at this one. This one used to be exam. It's a very simple one, but it do not realize it may be difficult. Look at this one. You see, we started. Let me hold this one. Okay, let me hold this one. Okay, we show this one first. Okay. Okay, show this one. Okay. I can show this one. You see, actually, first of all, I create this one. I create this cylinder. I can extract this surface. Actually, this is a surface. Okay. And I can do projection. This one. Let's see. You have this one. You see. You just draw this one, and you projection this one to this. Right. Projection in this case, I can do normal. Right, projection normal to this surface. Right, you extract surface, and you projection this one normal to this surface first. Right. Once you have this one, you can generate pattern. Right, this one. Sorry. Okay. You can generate pattern, circular pattern. Right, this one. After that, you just split the surface. Split the surface. Okay. 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 So you just split surface and hide this one. See? Okay. I split this one. You see? You see? And after that, just do thickness. Okay, so first of all, start with this one. Besides, so you don't need hole in this case. Just cylinder, right? And you extract surface, right? You extract surface, and you draw this one. You draw this pattern, right? This pattern. See? Draw this one and projection this one onto this circle, so this curve on this surface anyway. Okay, and after that you can circular pattern. Okay, and you can trim surface, split surface anyway. Split surface. Once you have split surface, you can add thickness. Okay, so that's the point for this one. Okay. Good. You have, we also need to do fillet 0.2 radius as well. Okay, so let's see this one. This one. So this one. This one. actually they need fillet 0.2 US dollar. Let's put it here. Fillet. For this case, this angle, this one, all of them. Okay. You need fillet as well, 0.2. Okay, that's the point. Inside as well. Not just outside. Inside no. Well, you can do whatever you want. This as well. You can do this one as well. Outside as well. This one as well. This one as well. Also inside. This one as well. Okay, this one also used to be exam, but I give you all the process like this one, and you follow the process. Okay, this maybe come back again. Try it anyway. You can try. You start with surface. First of all, you start with this profile first. Okay, because we think this surface, we need profile, we need line, right? We need to create all these first. Okay, and after that, you just extrude, and sweep or whatever. Try. If I give you all this information, is it possible for you to do this problem? Okay, if you can do this, mean that this midterm this final you are ready, no problem. I give you everything like this. And one of the exam will be equivalent to this one or this one. Okay, so you first try this one. Okay, one very difficult one will be in the exam. This is supposed to be same level. In the exam, you're gonna have 4 problems. Okay, 4 problems. Most of them are surface model. You can combine solid as well. Okay. I try to give you all instruction. I try not detail, but main instruction, main process. It is especially for difficult one. Okay. So just test yourself. You understand this or not? Okay, just test yourself. These are three main parts, three main surface that we can use. Okay. There's another one that I would like to mention to you. Okay, even though you are in CAD design, let's see. And if you want to do, see inside this one, they also have volume here. Do that. Volume. Volume is mean like a 2D part, 2D sort of part. Okay, inside this one, you have volume here. For example, let's say I have volume. I want to do pad, this one. See, you have some command, similar command to solid, you see? Right? Let's say I do have pad here. I want to do this one. You see, up to the surface, let's say, up to the element, this one. Okay? The other side is 0. Okay? Look at this one, you see? Look at this. It's solid. It's solid. But in this case, it's purple color. It's purple color. It's not the same solid. It's about the same, but anyway, it's not the same solid as you do in solid in solid model. Okay? When you do this one, they put into the order geometry. Order geometry. They put into the order geometry. It's not in the part, actually, it's order geometry. I don't recommend you, some of you when you see this one is like a solid, and you try to use it. Okay? Without knowing about the background. Okay? If you create this solid and you want to do modify, you want to go back to part design and you want to modify this one with solid command, sometimes not work. Okay? It's a solid just inside the surface. You can do only this command only. Okay? You cannot use command solid in 3D design. Okay? Just only solid command here. Only that's all. This one. You don't try to use this. Actually, this one is for Honda. Honda they require criteria to build just special for them. Just they don't want to go back from their surface to solid. They want to finish it with inside the surface modeling. So they require criteria to build this command for them. Okay, so don't try to use it. Okay, you can use it when it's a last command. If you want to do, you don't want to do any edit more. Okay, if you can edit within this command only. Okay, and the color that default color set is the purple color. It's not that one. You see, if I go back to part design, I want to create this one. I want to create this skirt. I create this one. I want to do pocket here. I want to do pocket with this one. See? They don't allow. You see, when you create this one, you say, I want to do pocket. You see, they don't see any pocket here. You see pocket, but it's not accurate. See? Okay, so you cannot manipulate this one. Okay? Yeah, that's a point. So it's a solid just for some specific purpose only. Okay. Let's see, here you have this line, this surface, and I want to create I want to use the curve to create a plane, normal to this one. I can do this one, but let's do this one. Okay, I can do extrude, and profile. I just select this edge. Normally, it will tangent, right? I change direction. I set direction to Z axis. So we have this one. Okay? You can do this one as well. You can do another one as well if you want. Extrude this one. Another command that I'd like to mention this one. You see, let's see, let's see, you have sweep here, right? We have circular, this one, circular with 3 guide curve, circular. Let's see, you have 3 points. Let's see if I do this, I have to curve this one. I want to fit this 3 point, this curve with circular ส่วนของวงกลม different radius actually. Okay, look at this one. I say this one. You see this one, this one, and this one. Let's say there's 3 of them. Then they connect this, and this, and create circle. Next, this one, and that one create circle as well, and form as a surface. Look at this one. You have this one. So this is a form of circle, right? And same similar spine curve. They use sketch the 6. This one as a spine curve, right? Look at this one. You see, as a spine curve. So when they sweep this one, they normal to this curve. Normal to this curve. Right? A surface sweep normal to this curve. Okay? But you want to sweep normal to this direction. Not that curve, but one direction. Right? In that case, you see, I want to normal to y direction. Y direction. Right? In that case, I can put this one into y direction. Yeah. Y axis. And you have another one. See? This one. So in this one, the surface, all this is a curve. Circle. Different circle. Different radius anyway. Okay? You have to move this one. Okay, so if this one is a straight line, that is not. Okay? Also you see circle. If it sweep along normal to this y direction, you have this curve. Okay? That one. Hey, so I'm not divided. The vibrate.
And the downfall.
Yeah, อันนี้ง่ายๆต่อเนี่ย
ตัวนี้อย่าง
เหมือนเดิมอ่ะเหมือนตัวที่แล้ว this one about this one. I need I do yeah. This one. I do. Okay. I need fan. This one. This one.
คือในนั้นเขาเขียนว่าตรงไหนที่ไม่รู้ร้านไปเลยขอไปอย่างนี้อันนี้น่าจะเป็นในส่วนของตัวนี้ตัวนี้น่าจะเป็นตัวอย่ามาตรงไหนไม่บอกสองหมดเลยรวมถึงมีแบบไม่แน่ใจว่าเขาคงมีคนซื้อหรือเปล่าแต่ผมไม่แน่
Yeah, like whatever this thing was supposed to be. Yeah, I feel like if it happens. มึงรู้จักจริงหรือเปล่ารู้จักเองครับมึงรู้จักเองกูได้หรือว่ามึงรู้จักที่สองสองเนี่ยมึงรู้อันนี้โอเคI can answer it.มึงกดอันนี้แล้วมึงกด extrude this is the pan equivalent ตอนนี้มึงโดนอย่างไรมึงมองเป็นใช้เรียกว่าอะไรคือใช้เป็น
Wait, have you used that tilted?
อย่าไปเกลือพันก็ใช่แต่ว่าเบอร์ละ10 กรัมน่าจะเร็วกว่า
จ่ายให้ผมเลยเขาบอกอยู่นะ
ซิลทางนั่นเป็นบูธเลยของพวกเราแม่งถึงสนามเด็กเล่นฝุ่นชุดบาร์เลยคือขับจนเกียร์ออกหมดอ่ะ ก็คือในระหว่างที่ไม่วุ่นวายกันเราหลังวุ่นวายเสร็จแล้วครูก็เดินไปฮัลโหลเพื่อนใหญ่เวียนไอคิดด้วยไอคิดเป็นคนคุมเลยคือคุยเรื่องราคาบางทีเพราะคือตอนนี้เท่าที่รู้ก็คือกินเท่ากับเราแพงกว่ามอเตอร์พาร์ทไม่คืออาจจะไม่ได้หกพันอาจจะเป็น5,000เท่าที่รู้คือเยอะมากจนแบบไม่มีที่คืออย่างที่ที่แล้วที่เขาทำ2,000เราก็แลกกับการที่ว่าคือรู้สึกว่าคือแค่ออกแค่แบบค่าที่มาไม่ต้องออกค่าเราค่าเราคือพวกที่อันหมดแหละเอาที่ไงคือก็ได้ยินไปอีกทีจากแม่กูก็ไม่รู้นะว่าคือมันยังไม่เปิดสองนี่
แต่ขอบคุณด้วยดูจะกินแค่ทำทำเสร็จก็เรื่องเลยแค่นั้นก็ดีดีปั๊มชีสนะแป๊บกิมมีเหลือแค่ใส่โอเคมันไม่ได้ใส่ครับครับพี่ต้องสีแบบแค่มันไม่ดอกแค่มันไม่ดอกโอเคแต่โอเคดีมันฟรีนี่เดี๋ยวมันไม่ได้มันไม่ได้มีอะไรมันก็อยู่ๆว่าเราฟรีเพราะว่าทางนึงยังไม่ทำไม่ได้ทำอะไรคือมันฟรีที่แค่เดบิวต์ให้คนรู้ตรงนี้เขาทำให้มันเป็นระบบเรามี3คนโทรนี้คนโทรนี้จริงเนี่ยก็คือเรื่องของสัมพันธ์เนี่ยให้มันให้มันไม่หมด100%เลยให้มันแทงก็จะไม่เสร็จเลยไม่ต้องเลยพูดตามที่จะได้เลยเชี่ยแล้วมันเสร็จแล้วคือที่จะไม่เริ่มแต่มันก็ขึ้นอยู่กับ
go over this one. Just leave the some space here. Yeah. No, actually, both I can move. Both I can move. This one can fit. Real yeah. You have to be careful. You have to look at the dimension. See the dimension. That's okay. That's all. That's right.ต้องมีสองอันถ้าทำแบบนี้นะอันนี้ฟิกกับอันนี้ตัวเนี้ยชิ้นเนี้ยต้องฟิกกับตัวนี้นี่นะเมื่อกี้ผมอธิบายนะเอาตัวนี้ต้องเพิ่มสองจอยตัวนี้ของดูนี้กับตัวนี้ของดูนี้ต้องอยู่ตรงกันแล้วก็ตัวนี้ตรงกลางนี้กับดูนี้ต้องอยู่ตรงกันต้องมีรีวอล์ฟมีอันสองอันหรือเอาตัวนี้ให้มันอยู่ตรงกลางนี้แล้วติดไปด้วยกันนี่ให้แต่ว่าต้องให้อยู่ตรงกลางนะใช่ไหมแล้วถึงจะทำเพิ่มต่อแต่นี่มันทำไม่ได้หรอกสักจอยตรงนี้เนี่ยดูนะดูต้องมีพอยต์เนี่ยมีพอยต์นะอันนี้ก็ถูกนะมีพอยต์อันนี้โอเคนะพอยต์ของตัวนี้กับพอยต์ของตัวนี้ถูกต้องนะแองเกิลของตัวนี้นะลายของตัวนี้แนวหมุนตัวนี้แต่ว่าตอนนี้มันไม่อยู่อ่ะแนวหมุนตัวนี้ของตัวนี้นะแล้วก็เพลงชิ้นนี้มันต้องอยู่ในเพลงเดียวถ้าจะมีเพลงเนี่ยน่าจะเลือกเพลงนี้มาก่อนต้องเลือกเพลงมาก่อนอย่างเงี้ยเพลงอย่างนี้ใช่ไหมเพลงนี้ได้ดีแต่ตอนนี้คุณยังใช้ไม่ได้นะเพราะว่าคุณยังขาดอยู่นะเพลงเนี่ยคุณยังเพลงที่ทำของ นี้อ่ะอยู่บนเซิร์ฟแต่ไม่ถูกยังไงถึงเซ็ตถูกไม่รู้นะแต่นี่มันก็เซ็ตถูกนะอย่างเงี้ยมันถือว่าถูกนะแต่ว่าตอนนี้คือจุดนี้ถูกจุดเนี่ยคือจุดนี้ของอันนี้มันต้องอยู่เพราะว่ามันมันจะมีอย่างเงี้ยใช่ไหมใช่ป่ะงั้นจุดนี้ถูกจุดนี้ของชิ้นนี้และจุดนี้ของชิ้นนี้ใช่ไหมใช่ไหมของชิ้นนี้สองอย่างใช่ไหมงั้นตอนนี้เราก็ต้องดูว่าเซิร์ฟจอยเนี่ยมันจะมีเอียงนะเอียงสมมติว่ามันมีเพลนที่เป็นสมมติถ้าตัวนี้ติดกับตัวนี้นะตัวนี้เป็นตัวใช่ป่ะใช่ไหมได้ไหมใช่ไหมเพราะฉะนั้นตัวนี้ต้องเลือกอันเนี้ยอันนึงอย่างนี้และอีกอันหนึ่งเพลนอันนี้เพลนตรงนี้อันเดียวกันเนี่ยเพลนเดียวกันใช่ป่ะใช่ไหมเพลนอันเนี้ยตรงเนี้ยในแนวนี้ต้องนะคือจริงๆต้องนะใช่ไหมต้องใช่ไหมแล้วอันนี้ก็อยู่ในจริงๆนะถ้ามันเป็นเวิร์กนะอันนี้มันอยู่นี้ตัวนี้มันขยับนี้ไม่ใช่ใช่ไหมเพราะฉะนั้นมันถูกจะเลือกได้สีมากกว่าเป็นนี้เป็นสีต่างๆเนี่ยแต่ไม่รู้สึกถ้ามันมองอย่างนี้นะไม่เห็นนะมีสองอย่างอาจจะมีทีแล้วก็เป็นเลือกเนี่ยแต่มันมองไม่เห็นดีต้องรู้ว่าตรงนี้อยู่ที่ไหนแล้วไปดูนี่นะหาเพจ X Y Z ก็เดี๋ยวเนี่ยผมว่าเนี่ยนะมีเพจเนี่ยใช่ไหมต้องดูว่าชื่อที่ชื่ออะไรแล้วไป X Y Z ให้เลือกเพจให้ถูกเราเลือกเพจนี้มากกว่าแต่ว่าตอนนี้ถึงเมื่อคุณเลือกถูกก็ยังใช้ไม่ได้ใช่ป่ะผมต้องเอาตัวนี้ฟิกกับตัวนี้ฟิกกับตัวนี้นะโดยที่อะไรนะตัวนี้ต้องฟิกกับตัวนี้เพราะตัวนี้เซนเซอร์เนี่ยใช่ไหมเนี่ยขาวไม่หมุนได้เดียวมันไม่รู้หมุนไหนทีนี้ถ้าสมมติว่าจริงๆก็มีวิธีการนะจุดหมุนไม่ดิที่นี้มันต้องมีจุดงานเมื่อกี้ที่ผมบอกแล้วที่นี้ก็ต้องมีจุดนี้คือจุดอะไรตัดแกนก็เวลาหมุนคุณจัดตรงนั้นพวกหมุนที่ตรงนั้นไหนวะเซนเตอร์ของชาร์จก็ตรงจุดกลางคือเพราะว่าด้านถ้าสมมติคุณไปตัดแบบที่แบบนี้มันก็ตรงจุดกลางระหว่างเนี่ยประมาณนั้น
อาจารย์ครับคือผมตัวนี้ครับความไม่แต่ได้แต่ว่าไม่เห็นตอนนี้เนี่ยว่าตามอันนี้มันจะมีความต่างระหว่างเพราะว่าถ้าเป็นผมเชื่อนี่เป็นเพราะว่าไม่งั้นมันได้ถ้าคุณติดต่อถ้ามี
เราตัดไว้ก่อนแบบดูกันดีแซมเช่นสำหรับอะไรดีดูอะไรดีบุรีดีแซมเช่นI look at yes, probably.
ตัวแคมพอขาข้างล่างนี่คือตัวที่หมุนได้นะครับ
ควรจะ
I check also this one as well ตรงนี้นะมุมตรงนี้เนี่ยผมเช็คเลย I check also this one as well yeah, have to be symmetry in the middle it's better to add if it is possible better to add screw here some sharp let's say not the screw this is sharp this is possible แต่พิมพ์Don't follow me. I not finished. I put something in here. See? You should have three input.
ก็คือตัวที่ขาหน้า
But don't forget to put it in as well.
ตัวขานี่คือแบบมันควรลิมิตแบบไหนนะ ตัวขาต้องมีลิมิตด้วยนะตัวสีดำนะ
คุณจะป่ามันมีหยาบๆใช่ไหมมีหยาบๆใช่ไหมแล้วจะพิมพ์ด้านหลังไม่ได้
You have to draw, right?
มันก็คุยกันมันต้องมีผิดพลาด
ถ้าทุกอย่างจะเรียกว่ามี
ย้ายถิ่นฐานย้ายถิ่นฐาน
For this one, it's better to use. If you want to create this one with solid, sometimes it's quite difficult. Anyway, you can do this one by see you have polygon here, as well as polygon here. When you have polygon, you have point. In that case, you have point. You use 3D line to connect all those points. When you have line, you can use field surface, right? You can use field surface. You can get one of this one and you can rotate. Actually, rotate also possible and fill make solid.
ทีก็มันอยู่ที่นี่กดทีก็อยู่ที่นี่นี่กดตัวนี้ก็ได้แต่ว่าจริงๆไม่รู้
讲完是一口。
This one, let's see, here you have this, point there. This point can be used by intersection as well. Like we can use this plane to intersection, got 2 points, this point and this point as well. Right? And I recommend in this case, I use a plane. Okay, plane. So I have plane here, right? So you have tangent, and tangent here, right? I use plane, right? See, with this surface and this surface. Okay, and my start point, closing point will be the same. Yeah, closing point will be this one, right? Closing point and closing point. This one direction of curve, you see, and you have this one, and tangent, use tangent and tangent, right? This one. Okay, so I use plane. You maybe use multi-section, but also you need, if you use multi-section, you have to specify connectivity between this one tangent and this one tangent as well. If you use multi-section, right? Okay. So in my case, I'm using blend command, this one. So, but you have to change the crossing point so that it will be the same location. If I've used plane, in this case, I don't have to do any fillet. I don't need to do fillet. See, already plane, already fillet here, of course.
มันต้องทำแบบมันต้องเริ่มที่ assemble นะ assembly จริงๆ
ไม่มันก็ถือว่าขาดมาอย่างคือถ้าว่าขาดเป็นเล็กว่าปีขาด
มันเป็นพาร์ทที่แยกเลยนะ
แล้วเราแยกก่อน
เสร็จแล้ว
อย่างกูทำอยู่แล้วว่าแยก
I told you, right? This one probably may be one of the final exam.
ขับแคปเพราะว่าเสร็จ
ว่าเสร็จแล้วต้องปี
แล้วกูเอาอะไรประมาณเดี๋ยวกูไว้ไม่ยาวอ๋อหนวด
เ
ตอนสอบเราต้องเรียนตอนสอบเพราะว่าจะเป็นเขาได้แต่สุดท้ายมันจะได้ดีแล้วก็
อาจารย์ครับก็คือตรงนี้ถ้าคอยจับนะอินเตอร์เซ็กกับไอ้เบรนใช่ต้องทำยังไงไอ้สาธิตไปตอนนี้ไงพวก135ต้องทำยังไงก็มั่วเลยมั่วตรงเลย
เชื่อเชื่อเชื่อเดี๋ยว
เศษนอนอยู่อ๋อเริ่มตรงนี้เริ่มที่135เริ่มสร้างจุด
ธรรมดา
เริ่มตรงนี้
เมธาสิทธิ์เมธาสิทธิ์กิจกรกัญญารักษ์การดีเขมินอันดับแรกชนะชนชัยพลชนกิจชินกิจสาระยานิสายานิชยาภายานิชยาภานรงค์พัฒน์นัทกิจนันนิชานิชาแดเนียลธนากรธนาทิพย์ธัญธรธาดาธีราธรนนทพัฒน์ณนนท์มือขาดเยอะมัวใช่กันก็ยังเยอะอยู่นรุตนิธิเบญจภาเป็นจภาบรรพัฒน์ภวานิสาบรรทัศน์ปนวิทย์คุณนัท ปัญญาคุณปัญญาคุณจะทรคนตะกรคนตะกรพันภูมิพันภูมิรัศกรพิกพลพิกพลพีพุทธิพงศ์อ่านดอกไปแล้วมั้งพุทธิมาปาริสภูริพัฒน์มงคลเมทัสวิชวนวริชยาสรันศิรสิทธิ์โสยาศิรภพสุกิตอาชิระอยู่ป่ะอันติกาเอทินเรียมThe final project the deadline will be next week, right? Very easy one. This year the final project much easier than last year. Okay, ada juga.
ฮีโร่เดี๋ยวไปเอาตอนไหน
เอาเลยกูจะได้เติมยอดเลยเอาแบบ
ใช่ครับคือเราไปเอาคนเดียวพอไหมหรือว่าโอเค
น่าจะ
จะเคยเข้ามีโอกาสเสร็จป่ะ
ปูนเปื่อยเลยไหม
แล้วมีที่ผมหนักมาแคบเลยอยู่เช่นพอได้ปะเกี่ยวอะไรไม่ดีอยู่เนี่ยหรอคุณมีสตาร์ทเนี่ยเป็นเดียวแล้วไม่ขอเราตัดขอเดาดีลองเลยไม่ติดน่าจะว่าลืมไม่ติดถ้าเป็นซีดีเล็กก็ไม่ควรก็แย่แล้วก็แย่มันหลุดไม่ได้ดึงดันได้แล้วไม่ติดดิใช่แต่ว่าผมว่าพอได้ติดเพราะมันเรื่องว่าเรื่องจริงๆแล้วต่อวันนี้ขึ้นเลยที่เป็นการจะต่อได้ได้เฉยเดียวสิบเก่าแต่ว่านี่แต่ว่าเขาให้ฟิกจริงๆไม่ผมจะบอกเพราะว่ามันมีแค่3 ตัวแมนเนี่ยใช่เนี่ยมันจะคุณชอบไม่ได้อันนี้มันก็ได้จริงก็ต้องหมุนได้ใช่ไหมใช่มันต้องหมุนได้ด้วยต้องหมุนได้ว่าเดี๋ยวมึงงงสิก็เราตัวตลอดว่าการใช้ตามไม่ควบคุมไม่ใช่ใช่ไหมต้องมันจะคงเป็นสิ่งที่เราไปที่ไม่ลองมันคงอีกลองฉากนานนี่ไม่ก็หลงจะหลงใจไม่ถามมีกี่แม่งผีอ่ะแม่งแค่ผีอ่ะแค่ดูหรอเขียนมาแล้วไม่ใช่ไปโอ้ยไม่เข้าใจตอนรถไฟอ่ะมันเขาบอกว่าต้องทำยังไง โอเคจับตรงไหนย่องจับตรงไหนจับไหนย่องแข็งไม่หร
ไปได้นี่แล้วเปิดที่เป็นบ้างไม่ได้เพลงได้มันเป็นแท็กดีครับผมจะได้หรือว่าคุณอยากเอามีด้วยหรอไปกันเบียดเอเนี่ยเอ้ยไปเลยแล้วโอ้ขึ้น EIP ไปเลยเปิดเป็นหลักที่เขานั่งมือครับมันต้องทำอย่างนี้มันทำอย่างนี้อันนี้อ่ะอันนี้ใช่คือสามนี่คือที่ในขั้นคือในขั้นไหนนี่คือในขั้นวันก็คือนี่X axis คุณใน X axis มี X axis คุณบ้านที่ฝ่ายคุณใน X axis เป็นขับรถเพื่อคุณที่ไหนคุณแบบเอาเวนอร์เฟซิ่งหรือว่าเซาท์เฟซิ่งจับตัวเองนี่ยังไม่ทำอะไรเพิ่มความตัวเรื่อง